spirit of that, let us begin by singing the UCU anthem. To God be the glory.
Came to my house to pray with me, but my heart was hardened. In that moment, I stopped believing. I asked God, we prayed, why would you allow this? But today, I want to reaffirm my faith on this altar. I believe God still reigns. He has not stopped being God. I will continue to pray. That altar will continue to be there. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, UCU community. Thank you for giving Pam a chance. Thank you. She loved working here. I love reading student commentaries about her, calling her the coolest dosa. When I came to see her, she was proud of her job. Thank you so much. So much, everyone. Pam was a doting mom. She raised amazing boys in Noah and Elijah. Confident, smart, kind, obedient, responsible, God-fearing boys. Boys, you know we love you. And we will always dote on you like your mom did. I want to tell you, Noah and Elijah, we are here to walk the journey with you. Where your mother is not, we will be. I pray that nothing will ever take you away from us because we love you so much. Where there is no Pam, to us there will be Noah and Elijah. Pam was a woman of integrity. She did not believe in keeping skeletons in a wardrobe. What you saw is what you got. I can comfortably say that her life was straightforward as it came. She served God and believed in doing everything in a godly way. I'm sure even her killers knew that. They were simply a batch of malicious criminals who couldn't stand seeing her live her life to its fullness. The last time I was with Pam physically was in November, beginning of November. I was on a work assignment in another part of Africa and decided to channel my return flight to Ireland through Uganda. I spent only 2 days here and I spent them at Pam's. Mom drove from Barra too and joined us. As was typical of my visits, we shared her bed, we did lots of talking, and of course we prayed together. We cooked with Noah and Elijah, we made merry, we exchanged clothes, something we often did. Probably following these events, you may foolishly think you have succeeded, but hear me clearly today, judgment awaits you. You violently cut short the life of Noah and Elijah's mother. You have caused unbearable pain to us, unimaginable sorrow to my mother. Not a single tear shed because of your actions has gone unnoticed. Every tear is recorded in the books of heaven. As I cry, I'll not stop. I'll shed the tears. Scripture tells us that when Abel was murdered, his blood cried out to God from the ground. In the same way, Pamela's blood cries out. You will be held to account. That God Pamela served saw you, he knows you. And when he rises to act, you will not withstand it. Hands stained with innocent blood will not escape that judgment. You may believe you have outrun human justice, but you will not outrun the justice of our God. His word is clear. Vengeance is the Lord's. He will repay. God sees all things. I have no power to
Your mourners, the bereaved family, fellow mourners, good afternoon. I'm Senior Superintendent of Police, distinguished Jonathan. I'm the Regional Police Commander for Kampala Metropolitan East. My colleague here is Senior Superintendent of Police. Mugera Bernard is the DPC of Mukono. Mine is just a word of assurance that from the word go, when you learn of the matter of our sister Pamela, we swung in action, timely, and as we talk, investigations are ongoing. Our teams of the forensics, they are doing all what it takes to make sure that we get on top of the game. We have come up with joint intelligence forces under the umbrella of interagency, and I'm very quite sure that soon, very soon, we shall have these perpetrators of this crime brought to book. So I want to be strong and proud, and so soon we shall get it back to you. And of course, this will be good news. Rest in peace, Pamela.
She was happy, she was like a blessing to me. She was amazing. Rest in peace, we love you.
Yes, so much. And we love her too. My mom died mixed up. That's why we have a lot of this is the mother to I'm not a miss mom. So much. I'm the best thing. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everybody. Celebrating Mom's life. My name is Noasha Matsiko. I'm 13 years. I want to thank the UCD community because she loved UCD. She devoted many hours of prayer and many months of fasting. Even if it was getting 2 hours of sleep, she would do it. That's a word from Mom. She has loved us so dearly, and we love her too. We're going to miss her so much. Please continue praying.